Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to sign in Facebook using Flutter. So this will be our final display. Here if we log in with Facebook, click this button, then it will redirect to Facebook page, and from here you can sign in Facebook. So let's start. So please watch till the end, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give it in comment section. So let's come to the code. This is my code. Here I have created this button, raised button with text login with Facebook, and it is in here. And don't worry about this code. I will give the description of this code in below description section. You can go and watch the code. So here is logged in. This is for checking if the user is logged in or not. So in body section I have used this if statement here, and if the user is logged in, then it will show this, and in the another you will look after forward. So this is for center. This is this. Now the user is no user is logged in, so it is showing this. So now login with Facebook. This. Okay. Now let me tell you from the start what you have to get the packages. In pubspec.yml, go and import these two packages. Use these two packages. Flutter Facebook login, its version is this, and http for connecting Facebook in this app. So after you do this, after you get these two packages, then at first you have to create Facebook developers account, and in Facebook developer account, Facebook for developers. So here go and create an account with your Facebook ID, and I have already created account. So I have created random app. Okay, let me create one app. So at first you have to need to create, after getting signed in, you have to create an app from my apps, then create app, and this for everything else. Select this. Here you have to give the app name. What will be your app name? You can give anything you like. So I am giving Naptech, and I have created app ID. Okay, with this Gmail this will come. I am not robot. Let's check it. Submit. So from here, okay, now this will appear after you create the app. So my app ID is, look here, this will be the crucial things you needed afterward. You have to create string.xml and use this app ID. You have to copy this, or let me tell you after some time. Okay, so at first Facebook login. Okay, I am going for Facebook login setup. Okay, what you will need accordingly you can choose. For this tutorial I am using Android, so Android, forget about this, forget about this also, forget about. Okay, here comes, you have to give your package name. So this is my package name I am giving to this. You can find your package name in build.gradle. Go for it. Here is your package name. So copy this and paste it here, and in this main.activity, this package name dot main activity, then save it. Okay, use this package name, continue. Here you need key access here. So for Windows and Mac operating system, you have to copy it and paste it in CMD or terminal. So I am using Linux, so I have copied this. Open the terminal, and here paste it and enter, and in password section give Android, enter. Okay, this is your ASCII, and you have to copy it from here to here. Copy this and paste it in here. Oh sorry, just terminal things I have not copied it. Control C does not work, so let's sorry copy it, and paste it here. Okay, this is my kiosk, and if you are using Windows, then you have to get according to it. Save it. Now click continue. This is not needed. Then here comes the main things. You have to use this. This is your ID, this is your Facebook. Then let's show you side by side where it is needed. You have to create a string.xml inside app, Android app main, then in res, inside res you have to inside values you have to create one strings.xml and copy these all things, or use these all things, and in this app name you can replace with you created new app name, and this is the ID, and this is another Facebook login schema ID. So don't worry about it, I will give GitHub link for this code. This what is actually needed here. Then let's go. Okay, next create, next, don't worry about this all thing, it is not required. Next, back. Okay, we have completed our setup. Now after creating this all, you have to go create strings.xml and copy your app name. You will get Navtech is my app name, so right here Navtech and its primary things, that all. And after that you have to go in Android manifest, and in this place you have to get these things, Facebook SDK, this metadata, this up to this thing, and you can get this code from PubDev, or you can get it from my android.xml. in PubDev you can search Facebook login PubDev. This is the package, and here also you will find this example, but I have created a simple example than this. This is the version you have to get it, and in this readme section you will get this string.xml you have to create for this. In Android manifest.xml you have to copy and paste it, and for iOS section also it has given here, so you can refer to this also. So after doing this all, anything I have left? No, I don't think so. Okay, after this, now let's run this section. So here, login with Facebook. So give your Facebook account ID. Mine is Okay, I am going to stop for my putting my password. So I have inputted my password here. So login. Okay, submit. Okay, thank you guys. This is what it works, and what it does here I will show you now. So when I click login, this function is called. This function is nothing. I've copy pasted in here. So what here it will do, login with Facebook, it is async function. Here it is calling email address, and this is switch case. So this result dot status, if the user is logged in. So in my case I have gone inside this and I had printed here I am inside this. So I am inside this. So this is the what we know, we are in logged in state. So this is the Facebook status. So this part I have assigned it to user token. So I am getting this ID. If it get errors, then this will pop up, this will show. If the user cancelled, this will show error. This is the show messages for showing these messages. So this is the logout section. Is logged in, is as I have built is logged in false. If the user is logged in, then it will change to set state true. So it is logged in. If not, it is false. If logout, if this button is clicked, then it will be false. So now I clicked here logout, it is logged out. So again I click logged in, continue. Already I have logged in, so I logged in this. So this is all about this tutorial, and this logout button is here. I have created circle avatar which is of black, so it is showing black. The user token is this, so it is showing user token, and in the on side I have created this. So this is center all these about. If you want to learn, then I can make another tutorial about the basics of Flutter. So hope you guys may get some help from this video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. If you don't know anything about something, or if you got some problem, don't feel free to comment in below section. Okay, thank you.